Hi everyone. Hi. Hi everyone. How are you all?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine.
Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are the Christmas preparations going? Just a second. Everybody has joined? No. Just a second. Let me. Okay, now let's start. Yeah, so I'm very happy with the performance of everyone this time. I think 8 of you have submitted me. I have checked the work of 6 of you. So pronunciation is far better than what you pronounced in the first test, in the first pronunciation test. So it's much better. It's much better. There, obviously, it's not accurate. There are many mistakes, but still, it's much better than the first test. I'm just admitting all of you. Okay. Now let's start. Countries is called les pays. Les pays. This is pronounced as les. See, les is pronounced as lay. Many of you are pronouncing it wrong in the test. Some are pronouncing it as la, some are pronouncing it, I don't know what. It is lay. Lay. Lay, pay. This is pronounced as pay. Like pay and e. Pay. 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 Tab codes, can you pronounce this?
Le pays.
Very good. Arun Pandian, can you pronounce this?
Le pays.
Very good. Now, South Africa, how will you pronounce? Can anybody try? Bhuvneshwari, how will we pronounce this? This is L'Afrique du Sud. L'Afrique du Sud. Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce this? L'Afrique du Sud. Devi.
L'Afrique du Sud.
L'Afrique du Sud. Kalairasi, can you pronounce this?
L'Afrique du Sud.
Very good. This one, this is Lalamanya. Lalamanya. A-G-N-E is pronounced, G-N-E is pronounced as Anya. Anya. Lalamanya. Maheshwari, can you pronounce this?
Lalamanyu.
Manya. Yeah.
Manya.
Like the way you say yummy. The same way, Lalamanya.
Lalamanya.
Very good. Sita, can you pronounce this?
Lalomanya.
Very good. Now, this is Lostrali. AU is pronounced as O. 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 So it is Australi. Australi. Lostrali. Like for line, can you pronounce this?
Lostral. Lostral.
Lostral E. Till E you have to.
Lostral.
Just a second. Lostrali. Lata Ramesh, can you pronounce Lostrali? Lostrali. Now, how will we pronounce this? Anybody? Bhuvneshwari, how will we pronounce this?
Le Brazil.
Very good. Le Brazil. Zeal. This I is to be pronounced as E. So it will be Le Brazil. Le Brazil. Arun Pandian, how will we pronounce this?
Le Brazil.
Le Brazil. This is to be pronounced as A. This, yeah. Le Brazil. Just a second. Here, there's an accent in the right hand side. Please note that down. Tab course, can you pronounce this?
Leta uni.
See, there's a linking of words here you have to do because this is a vowel. Le zetas uni. Le zetas uni. Les Z.
Ma'am, LES is lay.
Yeah, LES is lay. Okay, you first try to pronounce. This will be difficult for you. You pronounce it as lay only. Le eta uni. Le eta uni. Try to pronounce it as le eta uni. Again. Who will pronounce? Who was pronouncing?
Le eta uni.
Very good. It's pronounced a little differently, but for now, this will be fine if you are able to pronounce like this. Le eta uni. Devi Shri, how will you pronounce this?
Le eta uni.
Very good. Now, how will you pronounce this? Anybody would like to try?
Lespan. Lespan.
Le España. Le España. It is Les España, but since you are not able to understand, I'm saying pronounce it as Le España.
Le España.
Le España.
Le España.
See, this word, previous one. See, this has to be pronounced as Le Zeta Uni. But I am telling you for now, you pronounce it as Le Eta Uni. But it is Le Zeta Uni. Le Zeta Uni. Okay. So the pronunciation which I will give you the recording, I'll give you of Le Zeta Uni, the right pronunciation. Try to remember that one. Les España. Yeah, Les España. Les España. This will be Z, S will become Z because this begins with a vowel, this word. That's the reason we say les Espagna. I will give you the recording. You can keep practicing. You will understand this one.
Okay.
Now tell me, how will you pronounce this? Anybody would like to try? Tab course. This is L'Angleterre. L'Angleterre.
Langlet.
See, AN is pronounced as on. On.
Longlet.
L'Angleterre. L'Angleterre.
Longlet.
L'Angleterre.
Longlet.
Okay. Devi,
Yes.
how will you pronounce this?
Longlet.
Yes, good. Devi Shri, how will you pronounce this?
Longlet.
Very good. Kalairasi, how will you pronounce this?
La France.
AN is pronounced as on.
La France.
La
La France.
Yes, La France. La France. Lifeline, how will you pronounce this?
La France.
No, this one. La Sheen.
La She.
Sheen.
La
I-
She.
Sheen. I-N-E. Yeah, Sheen. I-N-E is pronounced as Sheen. So it will be Sheen. Sheen. La Sheen. Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce this?
La She.
Very good. Devishri, how will you pronounce this?
Land.
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 I-N is pronounced as like the way you pronounce in 5 is sang. I-N is pronounced as sang. So here it is. So I-N is pronounced as like the way you pronounce aunt. So Hazel song. Land.
Land.
Very good. Arun Pandyan, how will you pronounce this?
Land.
Very good. How will you pronounce this? Anybody? Sita,
Lord.
how? This
Sita,
one?
I don't know,
Litali.
madam.
This will be pronounced as Litali.
Little.
Litali. See, T is not to be pronounced. T is to be pronounced as T. So it will be Litali, not Litali.
Little.
Litali. Yes, Litali. Kalairasi, how will you pronounce this?
L'Italie.
Very good. Devishri, how will you pronounce this?
Le Japon.
Le Jap.
Le Jap.
See, L-E is pronounced as le. Like the way you
Le.
pronounce, like the way you pronounce yummy, the y. So that the same way le, y, le, Japu, Japu. Again,
Le Japon.
very good.
Le Japon.
Yes, le Japu. Tab codes, can you pronounce this?
Le Japon.
Very good. Bhuvneshwari, Can you pronounce this? It is Le Portugal.
Le Portugal.
Again,
Le Portugal.
see, it is Le Portugal. O-R is pronounced as O.
Le Portugal.
Yes, Le Portugal. Line for line, can you pronounce this?
La Portugal.
Very good. Portugal is fine, but L-E is pronounced as Le. Le. This one,
La Rusi. La
La-
Rusi.
La.
La Rusi.
See, double S, wherever you see double S, it means you have to pronounce it, the S sound has to come. So it is Rusi, C, Rusi, Rusi. Like in the way ostrich, oath, you all pronounced it as. Because U is pronounced as U. La Rusi. Maheshwari, can you pronounce La Rusi?
La Rusi.
Rusi, double S, wherever double S comes, you have to pronounce it as S sound. La Rusi.
La Rusi.
C word, like the way you pronounce C. S-E-E-S-E, La Rusi.
La Rusi.
Yes, La Rusi. S sound. Now we will do Les professions. Now we are going to do the professions. Les professions. Tab codes, can you pronounce this?
La Professio.
See, L-E-S is pronounced as les. Les.
Le Professio.
Yes, les professions. Arun Pandian, can you pronounce this?
Le Professio.
Les professions.
Le Professio.
Profession. O, alphabet O, profession. Now you can see this. Profession. Now pilot is called, male pilot is called un pilote in French. Un pilote. And female pilot is called, yeah, male pilot is called un pilote. See, first you see, just a second. A or yun is called in French. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And male pilot is called un pilote, means a pilot, and female pilot is called yun pilote. Okay, yun pilote, a female pilot. One E extra in female pilot and yun pilote, and here male pilot a pilote. So there is difference in pronunciation.
Pilot.
See, here T is not to be pronounced in male pilot. Last word I generally say it is not pronounced in French. So you have to pronounce a pilo. Maheshwari, can you pronounce this?
A pillow.
Very good. A pilo. And if you have to pronounce this, you will pronounce it. You don't have to pronounce the E. You will pronounce it as, you don't have to pronounce the E. You will pronounce it as yun pilote. The T has to be pronounced. So who will pronounce this? Tab codes, can you pronounce? June Piloth. Anybody? Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce June Piloth?
Yun Pilo.
Piloth.
Pilo.
Yes, Yun Piloth, and this is our Pilo, male pilot. And this male singer is called Ashantar. UN is for males. And for females, it is Yun. Yun Shantas. So see, there's difference in pronunciation when it's male and when it's female. So how will you pronounce Ashantar? EUR is pronounced as Er. So Ashantar. Ashantar. Arun Pandian, can you pronounce Ashantar?
Ashantar.
Shantar. AN is pronounced as O.
Ashantar.
Yes. And is a female singer will be pronounced as how, Arun Pandian? Yun Shantas.
Yun Shantas.
Yes. See here it is a single S. So you will pronounce it as Yun Shantas. Z.
Yun Shantas.
Yun Shantas. Z. So now who will pronounce? Maheshwari, can you pronounce both of them? Male singer
Male
and a
is
female.
Ashantar.
Yes.
Yun Shantas.
Yes, very good. Tab course, can you pronounce both of them?
Shantas, Yun Shantas.
Yun Shantas, Shantar. Everything. Yeah.
Shantar.
Yeah. Shantar. AN is pronounced as O. So it will be Shantar, Yun Shantas. Now, male driver is called chauffeur. Chauffeur. And female driver what will she be called? Yun.
Chauffeurs.
Very good. Very good. Yun chauffeurs. And male driver will be chauffeur. Kalairasi, can you pronounce both of them?
Chamfer and Champers.
AU is pronounced as O. So you have to say chauffeur and Yun chauffeurs.
Champers.
There's a lot of noise coming. Please, everybody keep quiet. Chauffeur and Yun chauffeurs. Okay. AU is pronounced as O. See now, male carpenter is called charpentier, and female carpenter is called Yun charpentier. Yun charpentier. Now, who will do this? See, first I will pronounce charpentier. En is pronounced as O. So it will be charpentier. Charpentier. You will pronounce till here. Charpentier. Anybody? Charpentier. Who will pronounce? Devi, can you pronounce?
Charpentier.
Charpentier. Just T
Charpentier.
A. Yes. Charpentier.
Charpentier.
Very good. And can you pronounce Yun Charpentier?
Yun Charpentier.
Yes, Yun Charpentier. Good. Life Align, can you pronounce both the words?
A sharp on TA, U
Yeah.
sharp on TO.
Tier. Very good.
T.
Tier. Yun sharp on tier. Now, male musician will be called a musicien, and female musician will be called une musicienne. Okay. Maheshwari, can you pronounce both of them? I will pronounce. Yes.
Okay.
A
A
musician.
musician, a musician, un musicien,
Une musicienne. Une musicienne. Again.
a musicien, un musicien,
Musician. Okay, une musician. Now this one. This will be, male teacher is pronounced as an enseignant. On enseignant. An on. CEN is pronounced as on. Enseignant. Till on. An enseignant. And this will be pronounced as une enseignante. Till here. Sita, can you pronounce this? Enseignant.
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 Enseignant. Enseignant. This I will record my voice and you can have to keep practicing, then only you'll be able to get it right. And female teacher is une enseignante. Okay? I know it might une enseignante. Yes, enseignant. Yes. Keep practicing this word. It's a little difficult. You will get it, but if you keep practicing. Now tell me, how will you pronounce for a male lawyer? It is an avocat. See, you have to, it is but when the second word, like this avocat, begins with a vowel, A. So it becomes an avo. You have to link the word and say an avocat. Okay? An avocat. You have, otherwise it is but since the second word is followed by a vowel in the beginning, so you have to say an avocat. Tap course, can you say an avocat?
An avocat.
Very good. An avocat. And how will we say un avocat?
Un avocat.
Yes, un avocat. Anybody would like to try? Devi Shri, can you pronounce both of them?
An avocat. Un avocat.
Un avocat.
Avocat.
Yes. Now we will do the numbers. See, some of you are saying les nombres. It is not les nombres, it is les nombres. Les nombres. Like the way you say yummy. So yeah. It's the same way les nombres. Les nombres. Yeah. From here I will start. 50 to 60 we have 50 to 70 we have done. Here some of you are making a mistake. In 50 is pronounced as sankont. IN is pronounced as an. So it is sankont. Okay. And soissons, many of you, some of you have made mistakes. It is soissons. Maheshwari, I think you also made a mistake in soissons. It is soissons. X,
Soixante.
yeah, the s sound has to come. It is not soissons, it is soissons. Okay, S sound has to come.
Soissons.
Soissons.
Soixante.
Yes.
Soixante.
Yes. And here also, like some of you have made mistakes in C, जैसे SIX is cease. S sound is there, not Z. Okay. Now where were we? Soissons these 70. Now we will do 71 is pronounced. 70, all of you know it is soissons these.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, 60, you know it is soissons. You add 10, it becomes 70. So that's why it is soissons these. And 71 the same way. 60 plus 11 is 71. So 60 is soissons. And ons is 11. Ons is 11. So soissons et ons. That is why it is soissons et ons. Who will pronounce this? Soissons et ons. Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce this? Again. A. Ons. Yes, soissons et ons. Same way it will be soissons douze. 73 is soissons treize.
Tres. Soixante quatorze.
14. Oh, it is O. So it is 14. 75 is soissons quinze. 76 is soissons seize. You all know now why it is soissons seize. Because till 60 it is soissons. Because till 60 it is soissons. And 16 is seize. You all know 1 to 20. You all know very nicely. 16 is seize. So that is why soissons seize. And why 77 is soissons dix-sept? Anybody?
Soixante dix-sept.
Yes, why is
Seven.
it? Yeah, soixante is 60.
Soixante.
60 and 17 is dix-sept. That's why. Okay. 78 is soissons dix-huit. Dix-huit. So, soissons dix-huit. Because 60 is soissons and 18 is dix-huit. Now we'll do soissons dix-neuf is 79. Now we'll do 80. 80 is quatre-vingts. Quatre-vingts. Yes. Devi, can you pronounce quatre-vingts? Yes. And who will pronounce? Sita, can you pronounce quatre-vingts?
Quatre-vingts.
Vang. Only vang. Till N.
Vang.
Yes. It has to be a nasal sound. Till N. Quatre-vingts. 81 is quatre-vingts. Quatre-vingts. Can you pronounce Katrva A? Anybody? Tap
Katruva.
Katrva.
Wrong.
Yes, Katrva A. And 82 Kalairasi.
Katruva. The Katruvan the.
Katrva the. Very good. The. And Arun Pandian, 83.
Katruangtva.
Yes, very good. Meeting time is going to be up in 4 minutes. So let's do this. 84 is Katrva Katr. Katrva Katr. 85 is,
Katruva song.
yes, very good.
Katruva sees. Katruva spread.
Katruva.
Katrva Set,
Katruva
87.
Katruva
beat.
Yes.
Katruva love.
Katruva naf.
Yes.
Katruva these. 90 is
Katrva these. Okay. So now can you tell me why is 90 Katrva these?
80 plus 10. 80 is
80 plus 10.
Very good. Katrva these because it is these because 10. 10 is these.
10.
Katrva these. And 91.
Katruvan.
Yes.
Katruvan.
Moon.
Katrva owns.
Katruva.
You have to pronounce till, like it has to be pronounced till N, but a nasal sound. So it is Katrva owns.
Katruva.
Katruva owns.
Yes. And 92, Katrva doos.
Katruva the.
Doos.
Katruva trace.
Yes.
Katruva.
Katruva.
Katruvan.
Katos.
Katruva.
Katruva.
Kans. 95.
Kans.
96 is Katrva says.
Katruva these.
Yes.
Katruva these. Katruva these. We.
These reads.
Katruva these enough.
Yes. And 100 is pronounced as song. Song. C-E-N-T. C-E-N-T. Song. Okay.
Song.
Song. Tap codes, how will we pronounce this? Song.
Song.
Very good. Song. We have to pronounce till here. T is not to be pronounced. So. And now see the sound recognition. If you do the sound recognition properly, now you will never have problem. Like IN is pronounced as ah. Ah. Everybody, can you pronounce IN? Ah. Ah. Like the way you pronounce in sang it. Ah. Like this way you pronounce in sang. 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 5. The way you pronounce 5, it is sang. EN is pronounced as on. On. On.
Oh.
Like the way you pronounce Vondradi. Vondradi. Friday. Friday is called Vondradi. Can you pronounce, understood what I mean to say? EN is pronounced as on. And